I just made a bag, I'm up the sun. Pulled up in a foreign dawn, yeah, I'm up the sun. With that work, flip that bag, yeah, we up the sun.
What's going on, guys? Today, me and my man Jason, we're gonna do a steam boiler. It's the first steam boiler of the year for us. So this is what it looks like. Oh, and we're doing a chimney liner that we can't get on the roof. So we're gonna have to figure that out. But this is the old boy. Now you gonna let me do what I do. All right, here's the new boiler. We gotta make a material list. Honestly, it's probably gonna get piped in the same exact way. So, but me and Jason gotta go outside and figure out how we get on the roof, because it's a 2-day job and the roof is like this, and we gotta get on the roof so we can do the chimney liner before anything. So we're gonna go outside. When I figure it out, I'll bring it to your attention. So that's the job we doing. The mini splits, roughings.
White said if you could bring the ladder, the gorilla ladder.
We got up this far, but we got to get on this.
The gorilla
And this roof is so sloped. So we got to figure out how to get on there safe. We're trying to figure something out right now. Oh, we do got it. We do got it. Yeah, we're gonna go get a gorilla ladder, see if that works. Alright, so the chimney, we don't have to change the chimney liner. We ripped it out, and they already ran a new one. It's a little bit older, but it's fine. We tested it. So I guess basically we're just gonna redo the T's and stuff, make that brand new. But yeah, I'm about to start dressing the steam boiler, and I'll set up the camera so you can see it.
Supermodel.
I don't got money. He says, don't play with me.
He said, like that. $10? Do your trade. Neutralizing.
Because it's bigger and a little better. Hold on. Go ahead. Gotta get that right. The battery might be dying. Change the battery.
Come on, Pop, get husky on this. You can do it.
I'm like Thor. Don't be in the way. Not bad for my first steam boiler alone. I barely do steam. I hope I do it right. This Teflon sucks.
And I'm used to seeing blue pipe though. I don't really like that pipe though. Well, no, we run a leak test. Think it'll leak? How do you even run a leak test for a steam boiler?
Well, steam don't really leak. When we turn it on,
Just a matter of checking the pressure, right?
The thing is, water still has to go in, so that's
Okay.
it's got to go through there. All right, it's finally piped in. I just need Chris to finish that little piece right there so I can put water in and see if we got any leaks. Even though it's a steam boiler, you fill half the tank up, but then I'll wire it in. Doing electric. Okay. Pretty straightforward. Voltage. Okay.
I sleep on somebody's car. Like, I got stuck there.
Okay. You break. Thermostat wire goes from the pressure switch to the low water cutoff. So you break it. These two wires right here. I don't know if you can see them. One's green, one's black. Prevent the low water cutoff. Okay. Boom. A little water cutoff. H&M. Brown. All right. Follow the directions for you. So it's a hydro. This is a hydro level CG 400 low water cutoff. So you've seen the WNH on the water feeder. So does it zoom in?
Yeah.
Is it focused?
Mm-hmm.
You can see that? All right. So now that means, because this, I guess our company did this repair already, so I don't have to add this. So I just want to see how they wire it in, because colors really don't matter as long as colors match. So the H is red, and H goes to 1. H goes to 1. So red is 1. N is 2. N is 2, and N is white. So red and white. Red is 1. Okay. Red is what? 1. I'm going crazy, dude.
What, losing your tools or putting your sausage fingers in them little tiny spots?
I don't know. This is fat people problems. I gotta sit down. I feel like all boilers should like came from a ceiling or something. What was two? Black? White. And what's the two? White. I'm gonna lie, down here, that smell is driving me crazy.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to water my boots down when I go home.
I'd rather smell dog crap than cat crap any day.
I don't know what happened.
You stepped in a wet pile of it or something, cause
It's time for them to get rid of them animals.
it's time for you to get rid of them boots.
No. I don't got money like that to just be throwing boots away. Black is A. Where you at, A? A is right here.
So it wasn't as hard as you thought it would be?
Nah.
Everything is wired in series, but where did it break? You were saying that it had to break somewhere, right?
Thermostat.
Thermostat.
Broke at the thermostat.
Who is that? Oh,
Lisa.
Lisa. You're not gonna answer it?
I gotta work. I'm not you, Pop. Yeah. Where you at?
I was buying food, so I was checking out. I didn't even hear my phone ring.
Oh, Chris answered it. Chris was like, "You're not gonna answer it?" I was like, "Chris, I'm not you, Chris."
Oh, please. Didn't you just call me?
Oh. Left that part out.
Yeah, but I didn't make a big deal. Chris go crazy without we had a big leak.
Where were you working at?
Yeah. It was Chris' fault though.
Yeah, I wanted to make chicken
Blame
Alfredo,
Chris.
so I had to come by the stuff.
Oh, you getting me Starbucks?
I'm getting Starbucks. You're at work.
Oh, okay. Guess who's stopping at Starbucks?
Not you.
Yeah.
You're lazy.
I bet you. I'm gonna get the one like this big. See, let me see.
I'm gonna tell the girls if you come to Starbucks, don't serve me.
You,
White.
yeah, you gotta serve me. I'm a paying customer.
No, they don't.
Dang. She. All right. That's. All right. I'll talk to you later.
All right, bye.
All right. That's how you wire in the autofill to the low water cutoff, and then you break it. You break. Look at that. Look at that. Would you look at that?
Would you look at that?
Coming to town, everything shut down. Oh. Man. Seriously?
What?
Oh, man. This is all out. Alright, I need your help. Determined. Jesus. It's a brand new shirt.
I got 2 new hoodies today. Small though, I don't know what's about to me too.
I got a brand new shirt. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, you're my personal space.
You can let it go. They be talking about, oh, you gotta go to customer's house clean. Ow.
Yeah, impossible. I never seen her brand like that. It looks pretty cool. I like Louis. I like.
I don't know what they did here. They put like, I don't know what they did here. These people crazy. It's like a little sleeve or something. It's cool, yo. That's cool. You know?
Yeah.
You know?
Ah, okay.
Drill and screws are right there. We finished the flue. Make sure it's low. Make sure. Just like that. We put it in. Got the steam boiler up and running. I got making the drip leg. I mean, don't waste all the gas. You know, do the drip leg. We're almost done. I'm gonna redo this because I don't want it to get hot on that pipe, the steam pipe. So I just wanted to make sure it ran. And there it goes. The oil's burning. All right, guys. So it's all done. Super early day. But we are in walking distance of that big project job. So since I'm on salary, we going over there now. So I'm just gonna go mess around with the guys. Oh, look at him. This is maintenance man Chris. Oh, you just got I already cleaned it up, Poppy. Come on, man. I'm the best supervisor in the world, right?
You good money. You alright.
You can bash me. Say what you really want. How do you feel about me?
I mean, today was good. So.
Oh, damn. Only today?
It was a good day, Lewis.
All right, we're gonna go walk around the corner to the other job, see if the other guys is there. I mean, they better be there. All right, so we at the job. It actually came out pretty good. This is the second floor. This is the line set y'all saw me running. Did I even put that on? Did I even vlog that yet? Yeah, I did. Yeah, I did. And it looked really good. Y'all did it real clean. So who did this? Who did this real clean job? Is each? Yo, we gotta put kick plates.
I did all of it. I did all this. I did all this right here. Right here.
It looked good though. It looked really, really good. I think the rough-in boxes is cool. I think they are cool. How you feel about that? Cause a GC came yesterday And Mondo and him was here yesterday, and they was like, yeah, you know, we
Took all the credit.
We
right?
do- we do-
Yeah, you know.
I do good work.
Regular, you know?
Oh, that's a regular? That's the regular to y'all? Y'all figured it out, huh?
Sound like.
So I'm like, y'all boys was crazy. But I ain't mad at y'all because I want you to be that good. Alright. That's it for today. I came over here to burn some time. But I'm out. I'm going home. Peace. Yo, follow me on Instagram too. Weightworks at weightworks.com. Wait, what is it?
What?
I don't even .com.
Tired, you need to go to
Yeah,
bed.
yeah, I'm tired. I'm
Underscore
tired.
Whiteworks.
It's underscore Whiteworks underscore on Instagram. Follow me.
He said whiteworks.com.